Good morning student, I Purnima welcome you to my class, and today I am going to tell you something about the determiners. Now I already discussed you what is a determiner, and children, determiner is a word which comes before a noun. But before dealing with the determiners, I would like to tell you there are 8 parts of determiners are there, and today I am going to express only the first part, that is article. So today we are going to do the first part only because it is very important, and many people are, when you write your writing section or your question answer, I feel still you should know about articles because many a time you do write wrong English. So first of all, what is a article? The word a, an and the are known as article. Articles are a part of a determiner. As I told you, this is the first part of a determiner. Article always comes before the noun. Okay, so it is a part of a determiner. And what is a determiner? It always comes before the noun. Alright, so children, article, it is part of a determiner and it comes before the noun. Now there are two type of articles are there. One is indefinite article and the other is definite article. What is indefinite article? A and an. And what is definite article? The. Okay. So there are two types of articles are there. First is indefinite article and the second is definite article. In indefinite article, a and the is there, and in indefinite article only the is there. For example, I met a boy this morning outside my house. I met a boy this morning outside my house. I gave him an orange. So I met a boy this morning outside my house. So you can see boy is a noun and this article is coming before noun. Similarly, I gave him an orange. I gave him an orange. So here orange is what? Orange is a noun. Article an, that is indefinite article, an is coming before the noun. Now definite article, the other second part of article is the. Okay, and the is also before noun. The Bible is one of the most widely read books in the world. Okay, so indefinite article is there. Okay, now what is an indefinite article? Now I will be telling you separately about an indefinite article. An indefinite article, that is a or an, okay, points to any singular common noun. Indefinite articles are called so because they refer to any one noun in a group and not to a particular noun. So they refer to one noun in a group and not to a particular noun. Okay. Indefinite articles are called so because they refer to any one noun in a group and not to a particular noun. So they refer to only one noun and not to all the particular and not to any particular noun in a group. So children, now I will be telling you the uses of the indefinite article a and an. So first of all children, some small points. Okay, some points are there. A and an are used before a singular countable common noun. Okay, so it is used before. So our first point is, so first of all, I think this is clear to you. We are having two types of article, indefinite article and definite article. A and an is indefinite article and the is definite article. the indefinite article. So first point is, what is the first point here? And an is used before singular countable nouns. Before singular countable noun. A boy, a table, a spoon, an elephant. So it is a singular countable noun. Countable noun which we can count, and singular is one. So a here is used with the singular countable noun. Okay, that is a boy, a table, a spoon, an elephant, an orange, and so on. A is used before some expression of quantity. A is before some expression of quantity. A is before some expression of quantity. So first of all, it is used before singular countable noun. For example, a boy, a table. Okay. Then an orange, an elephant. Alright, so this is a singular countable noun. Is if used before some expression of quantity. So what is the other use? It is used with some expression of quantity, like for example, a few, a lot of, a little, a good deal of, a great amount of, and so on. If a proper noun is used as a common noun. Now the third point is that if a proper noun is used as common noun, okay, for example, we are waiting for a Buddha, okay, to bring peace in this violent world. So here the proper noun Buddha is being used as countable noun, and hence the indefinite article is used with it. What is the indefinite article? Children, a here, generally we don't use a with the proper noun, but here we are using, because here the proper noun Buddha is being used as a common noun, and hence the indefinite article is used here. Now, an idiomatic expression. An idiomatic expression. Jiten burst out of his room in a rage. Now that the other expressions such as cold, a headache, at a loss, a nuisance. He is a nuisance. He is at the loss. I am suffering from a headache. I am suffering from a cold. So children, some idiomatic expression are there. Generally we use a here. For example, I am suffering from a headache. I am suffering from a cold. He is at a loss. She is a nuisance. What a pleasure. What a shame. And so on. So we also use the indefinite article here. Now children, with noun that start with a consonant sound word such as eureka, one, unique, are pronounced with consonant sound, and W, though they begin with the vowel letter E, O, U, but they are pronounced with W. Like O-N-E, one is pronounced as W-N-E, one. Okay. Now, where we should use an. So with noun that start with vowel sound So children, where we should we use an? The noun which start with a vowel sound, words such as are and honorable, okay, and are pronounced as are, our. Our, in R there is a silent H. So what is the pronunciation of our? We never say it is half an hour, we say it is an R. H is silent here. Honorable, again H is silent here. We say honorable. O and OURABLE. Though the first letter of this word is consonant H, but they are pronounced as silent. Honorable. We never pronounce honorable, we pronounce honorable. There are few abbreviations such as AMPHIL, AMLET. AMPHIL is Master of Philosophy, AMLET is Master of Literature, LC is Local Committee, MP is Member of Parliament, and so on, that are pronounced as AMPHIL. We never pronounce AMPHIL, we pronounce EMPHIL, AMPHIL. Okay. So you can see these words are pronounced with a vowel sound E at the beginning. All they are written with a constant sound M and I. So the article an is used before them. For example, she has been elected as an MP. Indefinite article are not used before proper noun in general. Okay, now children, where we never use article, indefinite article. So children, before proper noun when it is general. My name is Sangeeta, not a Sangeeta. Your name is a Rita. We never say your name is a Rita. We say your name is Rita. Before abstract noun, the peace of sin is death, but a sin is a death is a wrong English. Before material noun, so it is not used with abstract noun, it is not used with proper noun, it is not used with material noun. Please give me some salt. We never say please give me a salt. Before countable, plural, common noun. Could you help me carry books to the library? We never say a books. Before common singular noun that are used to represent a race or a class. Man is a social animal. We never say a man is a social animal. Before an adjective, it does not modify a noun. How did you like the film? It is superb. We never say it is a superb. Okay. So now children, that was all with the definite article, and now I am going to tell you about indefinite article, the. As we all know, the is a definite article. Okay. So first of all children, we should know that unlike a and n, the is used with singular noun as well as plural noun. So it is the which is used with singular noun as well as plural noun. Example, I met a boy this morning. The boy was looking for his lost dog. I met a boy this morning. The boy was looking for his lost dog. For your kind information, let me tell you, when in some sentence, if the noun will come for the first time, then we will use a. When it will be coming for the second time, then what we will use? We will use here the. Okay. I met a boy this morning. The boy was looking for his lost dog. Okay. Example 2. The teachers of our school follow a dress code. Now this is a plural noun. The teacher of our school follow a dress code. Okay, So first of all, you should know that definite article the is used with singular noun as well as plural noun. It is also used with countable and uncountable noun. Can I borrow the book you bought yesterday? Can I borrow the book which you bought yesterday? Countable noun. Okay, now here it is some particular book is being referred to. Can I borrow the book which you bought yesterday? The information I received yesterday is true. The information which I received is true. Now children, we are using the definite article in many things. For example, before a noun that is already mentioned. Before a noun that is already mentioned. For example, a boy is waiting outside. The boy wants to see you. So, which is the boy, okay, which is already, we have told you the boy is waiting outside. The boy want to see you. Before a common noun representing a class. Okay, so it can be used with common noun which is representing the whole class. For example, the dog is a faithful animal. So here dog is representing the whole dog of the world. That's why we are using the dog. The elephant is a wise animal. So here elephant, the elephant, the elephant is representing the whole elephant. The peacock is the national bird of India. It is not the single peacock, it is the whole peacock. The biggest planet in our solar system is Jupiter. So children, we use with the superlative degree before adjectives in the superlative degree. The biggest planet in our solar system is Jupiter. Mount Everest is the highest mountain peak of the world. Mount Everest is the highest mountain peak of the world. Okay. Now, the biggest planet of our solar system is Jupiter. Before adjective which representing a class, the interest of the poor must be ensured. So children, here the poor is representing some particular class. The interest of poor is ensured, must be ensured. Then children, the noun which is unique, for example, the sun, the moon, the Mars, the earth, South Pole, equator, so on. So which is only one of its type and which is unique. The earth is spin around the sun in 365 days and 4 hours. Then children, before a noun which shows direction. Before a noun which shows direction. Okay, example, the east, the west, the north, the south, and so on. Then before ordinals such as the first, the second, he is getting the first position in the class, in a class. Okay, before any musical instrument, for example, he likes to play the sitar. Ustad Zakir Hussain plays the tabla. Before some common noun, the radio, the theatre, the cinema, the airport, the station, the temple. An idiomatic expression to say the truth. On the one hand, the earlier, the better, the original. Children, before a unit of measurement, milk is sold by the liter. Okay, The bananas are 7 rupees, as 50 rupees. That one dozen of the one dozen banana. The milk is sold by the liter. Banana is sold by the dozen. Before name of oceans like the Pacific Ocean, the Indian Ocean, okay, before the name of the sea, the Red Sea, the Caspian Sea, before the name of the river, the Ganges, the Brahmaputra. Then children, with the name of the certain country, though country will come in proper noun. We never put the in any article in proper noun, but before the name of some country we put the, for example, the United Nation, the United States of America, the United Kingdom, the United Arab Emirates. People belonging to a place, the English, the Nepalese, the Indians, the Sri Lankans. Okay, then children, then Kenyas, the Khans, then religious communities with the name of the religious communities, the Christians, the Hindu, the Muslim, the Buddhist, mountain ranges. See, not the mountain but the mountain ranges, the Himalayas, the Aravallis, well-known building, the Taj Mahal, the Rashtrapati Bhavan, the Buckingham Palace, the White House, then with the name of the Holy Book, the Quran, the Gita, the Bible, then with the name of epics, the Iliads, the Mahabharata, the Ramayana, with the name of the newspaper, the Hindu, the Pioneer, the Times of India, with the name of the train, the Janshatabdi, the Titanic, honors and title, the Padma Bhushan, the Booker Prizes, famous events, the Olympics, the World Cup. Okay, so now children, this is over. Now I would like also to tell you some important point where there is an omission of the article. Whenever we use proper noun, we never use articles. Arjun Ramatunga is a famous cricketer from Sri Lanka. Girja Prasad Koirala was the Prime Minister of Nepal. Plural common noun when they denote something in general. Children like to play. All men are not like. So with plural common noun when they denote something in general. Okay. Words denoting family relation with respect to the speaker. Father bought this book. Mother cooked this meal. Word denoting family relation with respect to the speaker. Abstract noun. Truthfulness is a great virtue. Modesty makes a better person. Language. English is the language for educated Indian. I speak Bengali at home. If the definite article is used with such word, they denote citizen or the nation. Okay. When we refer to the English, we mean the citizen. Okay. So with languages, we never use the, but when we refer to the English, it refers the citizen of some nation of England. Name of the parts of the body. We never use the with the parts of the body. Use your hand to press the bell. Don't scratch your head when asked a question. Noun that are name of games. Cricket is a very popular game in India. Children are playing football in the ground. Common noun in idiomatic expression. Road travel make more time, but it is more convenient to journey by air. Some common noun if they denote institution in general. Are you not planning to go to college today? I would rather stay at home with my family. So children, this was all about article, and children, every time, everywhere we use this article. And now I think your confusion is, you don't have any confusion. Okay, so with this I end my video. Thank you and have a nice day ahead. Bye bye.